All right, so we've got the Vivtone hearing aids, right? But you can't use them unless you download the app. So I've got an Apple, so I'm just going to do the Apple one. So I'm going to highlight that right there, click on it. And this is HaFit. Yeah, that's it right there. That's what it says right there. Look, HaFit. So that's the app. So let's get it. Get, oh my God, double click. All right, so anyway, here we go. So open her up. All right, so we got to allow the Bluetooth, right? Got to allow Bluetooth, so I'm going to hit allow. So maybe we've got to pull these out of here. That might be it right there. Let's just set them down. Now let's go. Now we pulled them out, right? Now let's go search for a device. Oh, there we go. See that? And look, the one is not, my left one isn't that charged. Let me show you. All right, so this is the situation. Look. Or yeah, the battery's a little bit dead on the left one for some reason. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to go ahead and put them, I'm going to put them in my ears. So let's get them in the ear. And I'm thinking this is my right ear because it's pointing towards that. So let's put that in there. I'm going to stick it right in there. Okay, got that one in. Let's get the left one, right? Here's the left. In the left ear. Oh, this one seems loud. Oh, it is. Okay, we're good. Now let's go back to our app. All right, here we're in the app. Let's go. First of all, I want to do sound control. Left ear. And I want the volume down a little bit. Okay, so that's good. That worked out good. Let's go both. Sounds good. Let's go right. Volume up a little bit. Well, that works great. Okay, let's go back and let's go to hearing evaluation. I mean, we can try it again. Let's try it again. Okay, very strong, very noisy. Okay, I get it. All right, let's go start. Okay, so I think can I pull this? No. If the evaluation in your left ear is done, please skip it to change to the right ear. The sound in the frequency one is playing in the left. Did you hear it or not? Please check unheard again. Nope. Nope. Not hearing anything. Oh, there we go. I hear it now. Heard. Okay. Okay, that was the left ear. Let's go here. Nothing. Nothing. Ah, heard. Okay, I got it. All right, so I think that's good. So if the evaluation in your right ear is done, please skip. Okay. All right, so now I've got them set and they're working. So basically that's it right there, guys. That's how you do it. For some reason, this left one didn't charge very much. But if you want to change the sound, on the left, if you do both, you can do, you can do the volume up for both or volume down for both, right? Because I'm on both. If I need the left ear louder, I could go right here, or I could go lower, right? If I want to do the right ear, I could go higher or lower. Let's go back to the left ear. Let's do MDO down. All right, let's do it up. All right, let's try the right ear. Okay, so you can hear them in each ear as you do that. Let's go to mode switch. You can go quiet, noisy, or you could go outdoor, right? But I'm in upstairs and it's quiet here, so I would put them there, right? And then it gives you some more stuff. You can do fine tuning. Check it out. Okay. It is recommended perform the operation under the guidance of a hearing specialist. All right, so it does all these different things. Look, I could raise these up a little bit. I could, bring them down, whatever. You can change ears, and you could change from quiet, noisy, and indoor. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's see what other is. All right, noise reduction switch. Open noise reduction can help you get a better hearing experience in a noisy environment. Noise reduction switch. Okay. Whistle suppression. Open whistle suppression can decrease probability of a whistle. Whistle suppression switch. All right, that's cool. Let's go back to volume. All right, I think we figured it all out, man. I think we got it. So yeah, I think they're pretty good. I got to tell you. And this is pretty cool too. The app, and it's pretty easy to get on your phone. All right, so if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos on these hearing aids. Peace out.